Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'd like to thank the Honourable Member for this question. The Honourable Minister for Health and Medical Services, in fact, touched upon some of these matters. But as per the agreement, Mr. Speaker, sir, we have what we call an observation period between government and the company that's actually been given the concession, which of course is the Healthcare Fiji Proprietary Limited, which is a joint venture between the Fiji National Provident Fund and Aspen Medical, Mr. Speaker, sir. The observation period has just only recently commenced, which is the 14th of August, and we hope that the Aspen Medical will completely take over the operations and management of the hospital by March of next year. Mr. Speaker, so in the interim, of course, government has to do a number of what we call the prerequisite arrangements that had to be put in place. But of course, Aspen Medical has already started working during this observation period on things like the staffing requirements. They've already started their own procurement system in respect of call for tenders for the purchase of necessary medical equipment and supplies. And again, Mr. Speaker, sir, the hospital has put in place the new enterprise resource planning system that will allow for the streamlining of the process information across both hospitals. The Lautoka and Ba Hospitals, Mr. Speaker, sir, will be renamed. The Lautoka Hospital will now be called, once fully operational by Aspen, will be called Lautoka International Hospital, managed by Aspen Medical, and Ba Hospital will be called Ba Regional Hospital, managed by Aspen Medical too, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, there's now, we're developing a new asset register. There's not been an asset register done for quite some time for the hospital, which will, of course, give us a good understanding of the staff levels, the equipment, the supplies, and any additional expert staff that will be required in respect of expediting the commissioning of the two hospitals. Just by way of interest, Mr. Speaker, so only recently, in the big cleanup, literally, of Lautoka Hospital, they removed 22 truckloads of written-off equipment, other furniture, etc., that has been cluttering the corridors. So there's a major transition phase that we are going through. And to answer the question specifically, Aspen Medical will take over fully by March, at the latest by April of next year, and for Ba, it should be around about June or July of next year. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.